we also need to sketch vectors in this example. The first vector has an x component of -4 and a y component of -3. So in order to sketch it, all we need to do is start from the origin, move 4 units to the negative x direction, stop, and then from the point we stopped at, move 3 units to the negative y direction. So I'll show you here. Start from the origin, move 4 units in the negative direction. So 4 units in the negative direction, and then 3 units in the negative y direction, which is downwards. And 3 units takes us to this level, so this is 3 units. It will correspond with -3 there. So the first vector is represented by the line from the origin to our endpoint here. To sketch the second vector, all we have to do is start from the origin, move 2 units in the positive x direction, and then 3 units in the negative y direction. And then our vector is, well, is represented by the line in green.